Let us make eggless blueberry cookies today. Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. My name is Apurvi and in this channel I share with you eggless recipes. So let's get baking. For that, in a bowl take 58 gram of unsalted butter, add 40 gram brown sugar and 40 gram castor sugar each. Mix with a spatula and then add 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now using a whisk, mix till all the sugar gets slightly dissolved in butter, but we do not have to make it light and fluffy like we do for a cake. Add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon zest and half teaspoon of lemon juice and mix it. Lemon complements blueberry flavor beautifully, cutting through its sweetness and giving a balanced sweet tart-like taste. Now add dry ingredients: 115 gram of whole wheat flour, 10 gram corn flour, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Now sieve them all. You can replace whole wheat flour with all-purpose flour, but lower the milk quantity if you do. Fold them lightly, add 40 ml milk and mix. Add milk in parts depending on the fineness of the flour, it will differ. Once a loose dough is formed, add 60 gram blueberries, I am using fresh one, and gently fold them in. Now make cookie dough balls. I am weighing each of them. You can simply eyeball them or use an ice cream scoop to scoop them out. Weigh them and then gently roll them to form a ball. Refrigerate for 12 to 24 hours before baking them to develop more flavor. Now bake them in a preheated oven at 180°C for 11 to 14 minutes. Please give a video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time I share a new recipe. Once baked, you can use a round cookie cutter slightly larger than your cookies to swirl them while they are still hot to give perfect round shape. Once slightly cooled, transfer on a wire rack to cool completely. Let us break a cookie to see the texture from inside. These cookies are thick, crispy from outside while soft and chewy inside with beautiful cracks on top adding to the aesthetics. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.